Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the topic, that is city creation. In this basically we are talking about the Microsoft Blood Cells. And Microsoft Blood Cells basically told that they can basically give this many age basically. For that basically they have taken this many money. They told that basically this money expense basically also happened basically. If the expense has happened, then basically they have got the lots of income also basically. So they basically tells that basically that this basically we are giving you the guarantee basically from first birth to this many birth basically. So in this, one of the person told that basically, but currently what is the situation basically of the world basically? He told them basically 50% people who are basically sitting at the office basically, they can't basically sit for 2 to 3 hours also basically. Then he told that yes, basically you are correct. So what actually behind is this basically? Then he told that basically their problem basically are basically. Then he told that basically he basically told one thing basically. Uh, the one thing was basically one of the person told that basically the computer idea basically, for example software idea, was basically inside the person basically. Means software blood cells, computer blood cells was there in the blood cells basically when computer was not exist. Then one of the person told that yes, that was exist basically. This was actually told by universe person basically. After this basically answer, lots of people basically left the Mumbai basically. Then one of the person told that there is no need to leave the Mumbai basically. Then he told that basically Italian group basically are doing the experiment basically. They are basically doing the experiment. They are basically injecting the power supply data. Then basically the water basically is attracting. Then basically which type of data basically are passing. Then only basically the water is attracting, no basically. So why you are leaving the Mumbai basically? There is no need to leave the Mumbai basically, because you have to trust the Italian people basically. Then he told the yes basically. So this everything basically Italian people basically knows that basically. That's before basically the computer basically before the computer basically was not exist in the world basically. That time also computer and software blood cells basically was there basically. So this all basically Italian group basically knows. According to that only basically they are doing the planning basically. But activation was not happened basically. Activation जो नहीं हुआ था. Same way basically one of the person told that basically in this world basically whatever utility the current human generation is going to generate basically with the help of certain level of ideas basically, and that idea basically is going to activate that particular blood cells basically, that is the computer blood cells and software blood cells basically was activated at the certain time of the certain group basically who got the idea basically. Then he told that yes basically. So do you have the list of that all basically ideas inside the blood cells basically, which basically is going to activate in future basically, which is dumped by the universe group basically when the human basically was created. Then one of the World Health Organization people told that basically yes basically we have that, we have basically the data basically. Then Italian group basically asked their health department basically, do we have basically this data? Then they told that let me check basically, because after this question basically, after this answer basically, that activation basically can happen anytime. Lots of Mumbai people basically ran away that side basically. Then it was no, there is no need to run away basically, because Italian groups are basically doing that basically. Then the Italian group basically asked their medical department basically, who basically do the injection basically, that is the power supply, through the power supply to each and every human bodies basically. According to that basically within 2-3 hours basically the water supply comes into the into the city, and entire city basically covers with sea water basically, entire building, entire house also basically. And there basically big house basically are not there, their apartments are not there basically. So like this basically the construction basically is also created. So that city basically was specially created for the experiment purpose. So that person group told that basically yes basically we have the data basically. There is no need to worry basically. Each and every utility basically which is going to activate That data basically we have, and that is the time machine basically of the universe group basically. And that data basically Earth Planet Healthcare Department basically, that is the World Health Organization, they have basically. According to that, the World Bank is basically doing the each and every plans basically. Then he told that yes, basically the data basically they have basically. So like this basically one of the person told that there is no need to basically run away from the Mumbai basically, yeah, basically because Italian group basically have the data basically. Then why you are basically moving from Mumbai basically? Then he told that yes, here basically there is no need to move from Mumbai basically, because they have the data, this type of data, and they can track also basically this type of data basically. Then he told that how basically they can track, yeah, basically because the physical place basically is not created in the Earth planet basically. For example, computer equal to Dell, Compaq, this they group basically have physical location, right? According to that, they are basically tracking the blood cells data and the physical location. Text box equal to 1,000 cities. Text box equal to 1,000 cities. Text box blood cells is there. 1,000 cities are there. 1,000 cities basically data information are inside the human bodies. According to that blood cells basically they are tracking that 1,000 cities basically. But here in this case basically the idea basically has not activated only basically. Then how basically you are going to track the physical location basically? Because physical location ही नहीं है basically. Then how you are going to track that basically? One of the person told that basically. That basically that basically can be tracked basically. Then he told that yes basically that can be tracked basically. That can be tracked basically. So that basically the software industry person basically told that basically, who basically says that basically we have dumped each and every physical location into the computer, and according to that basically we are finding each and every blood cells of each and every person basically. That people basically are telling that basically we have the data basically, but physical location is not there. Then basically how you will have the data? For that basically we have kept the other information basically, who basically is not having the mapping basically, that data basically. But how you can find the ideas basically? How you can say that basically this blood cells is going to generate this ideas basically? That was very dangerous question basically. After that only basically the lots of people basically left the Mumbai basically. Then few people basically told that there is no need to do the panning here basically, because Italian group basically say that basically we have each and every data basically. Then according to that basically the Mumbai people basically told that basically okay basically we trust Italian people basically. Like these people basically they basically not left the Mumbai basically. So like this basically. So others blood cells basically was there. From that basically they told that basically we tracked the satellite group also basically, from where the activation is going to happen, and the universe place also basically we found that basically. So just see basically up to what level the medical industry basically has reached basically, which connects to the software industry also basically, because they are telling basically that we have the others data basically. If they have the others data, then basically there is no issue basically. That's why they told that basically you can't ignore the any of the point basically. So this was very dangerous point actually. This was actually very dangerous point basically, which was not ignored by the Italian group basically. So that's why basically here basically I'm just taking as an example basically of Italy basically. And really basically in Italy basically there are basically few cities basically which keeps on doing this type of experiments basically, and that's very dangerous thing basically, which is directly connecting to the Mumbai city, lots of metropolitan city basically, which are near the city, near the sea water basically. So due to that basically they are basically having, so within 1 or 2 hours basically the entire sea water jumps into the city basically. So you can just imagine the power of the power supply data also basically, the nuclear power company basically, up to what level they are basically doing the experiments basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this all basically experiments basically.